Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone is on silent mode but still their calls are ringing. In this video I will show you how to fix this issue. So please subscribe and let's start. The first thing that we have to check emergency bypass for contacts. If your phone is ringing on particular contact when it's on silent mode, then check the emergency bypass for that contact. To check that, open Phone app and tap Contacts and select the contact. Now tap Edit. Scroll down, find and tap on Ringtone. Under Ringtone, make sure that emergency bypass is disabled. Number 2. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, then tap General and tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again Reset Network Settings to confirm your action. Number 3. Check for software update. To check that, go to Settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. Number 4. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press Home button and the Power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. And also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Number 5. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, then tap General and tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again Reset all settings to confirm in pop-up window. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful. Then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.